I have how many tattoos and piercing video coming up for you guys to see. Um, I want to show you guys like some stuff that I bought. They're like super cute. I've just been buying shit, and I bought so much shit that I couldn't film it. Like, I'm sorry guys, but that video would have been super long because literally the box was huge. My order from Forever 21, the box was huge. My order from Rainbow, the box was huge. Um, then before that, I had did a huge shopping. I had like 4 bags of clothes from Burlington Coat Factory. Um, then literally right before that, I had like 3 bags of clothes from Old Navy, and literally, and just like, but I hadn't remembered the last time that I had did online shopping because I just been shopping in person a lot lately, and I usually am an online girl to be honest, but I have been shopping a lot in person because it's just been like spur of the moment. You know, a store is there, I'm there at that location. Why not? Or I decide to go. So, yeah, you guys, I can't believe I have my tongue pierced now. It's been 3 years. Yeah, it's been 3 years. Um, it's been 3 years. Um, So you guys have been requesting in the comment section below. Make sure you continue leaving your video requests in the comment section below because I will definitely answer them and do them if it's possible for me to do them. This is my nails, by the way, and they match my feet. Unfortunately, I messed up this nail polish literally like the day I got it done. So I did go to the dentist, and what happened is I'm waiting for my insurance to approve. So usually it takes like 3 weeks, 3 to 6 weeks, but they usually get a response by 3 weeks. So they let them know whether or not they're gonna pay. Because I told you guys, me getting my mouth fixed is gonna be me getting my tooth fixed is an expensive procedure. So I still have the metal in. I hope you guys can see that. I still have the metal in my gum, and the metal goes to up here, like I could feel it. Um, but not as much as when I initially got the crown placed, of course. Um, but the doctor I went to, I was trying to ask him when did he do the crown because it's been a while, and it just came out last year, and I think it's been like 5 or 6 years to be honest. Because what happened was I wasn't unsure about him putting, like, when he explained to me the process of putting a screw in and then screwing the crown into that. I was just like, a screw in my mouth and my gum, that sounds painful. Oh my gosh, I was super scared. I was only 17, and I was like, so what happened was we did a partial. At that time my tooth was chipped jaggedly, so it wasn't like the tooth was out. The tooth was there. It just like it looked like this. You guys see that? So that's how this tooth looked before removing it. So what happened was when I was a little girl, my mom bought me some brand new shoes, and I couldn't wait to wear those shoes. I wanted to wear those shoes so badly, and those shoes were actually like a little bit bigger than my foot size at the time. So I got in the shower, took a shower, then I put on these shoes because we have a full length mirror in the bathroom. So I put on these shoes to see in this full length mirror how beautiful these shoes looked on me. And the floor was wet and it was tiles, and I slipped. And not that I fall on the tiles, but at the time we had a sliding shower glass door. So what happened is it's a regular tub. It comes all the way up, but then on top of the tub they place metal. So they place a metal rack so that the shower doors could slide. And I fell and hit my tooth on the metal piece on the side of the tub. You guys, my mouth was bleeding. Shoes fell off my feet. Shoes fell off my feet. My mouth was just bleeding, gushing blood. I thought that I had knocked out my front teeth. Luckily, it was just, it was shaking, but the tooth had chipped, but it was shaking. And then I couldn't tell my mom what had happened, because my mom is one of those moms that she's going to ask you what happened, and if it don't make sense, she going to beat you. But so, like, if you can try to hide it, but they heard me bawling in the bathroom, so they rushed in the bathroom, asked me what happened. And here I was with blood coming down, like you thought that they had busted my whole mouth open. Blood was just gushing down. These two, before it came out, was shaking back and forth. And oh my gosh, it was just. Anyways, I survived. I survived. So right now, since I got the chemical nail burns, I'm in the process of. I don't know if I can show you guys those firecrackers, because it sounds like it's near they're doing them, but then when I look, I don't see them near. I see them like one block out, so you can't really see it in the sky. Especially if it's not like those quality firecrackers, then it doesn't have like any delay, and it doesn't really go up in the sky and show like, beautiful colors and stuff like that. But yeah, yeah. And that's the story of my tooth. So, like, either way you put it, I could have lost this tooth as a little girl and I would have been toothless. Again, beauty is not just on the outside, and it's not just physical appearance. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy because that tooth came out during the time that I was pregnant. You know, pregnancy pushes and pulls stuff. Um, I noticed that every time I'm pregnant, my teeth they start to shake because I don't have enough calcium during my pregnancies, multiple pregnancies. So that's also another way that I noticed that I was pregnant, because my teeth they like start shaking, like not shaking like like vigorously shaking, but they start to shake slightly um during pregnancy, and that's how I know, like, that's one of my symptoms. Another one is frequent urination. Um, Another one with my son was um I don't even remember what I was gonna say. I lost my train of thought. But you guys, I'm healing from these second degree burns, and so what's happening right now is I'm having white flakes of skin in my genital area and my underarms, and it's like covered the entire. It looks like scales right now. Um, and I just been in pain this whole weekend. It was just a freak accident. It happened Friday, and so it's been less than 48 hours. It happened Friday at 8 o'clock. So at like seven, I want to say like 7:40, 7:30. So it's not even 48 hours yet. But my body is so amazing because when I went to the ER, they lathered it up with bacitracin, so I guess that promoted the healing faster. But usually, like, the body starts to cover like an open cut or wound within like a couple hours, like, within 12 to 24 hours. So, um, yeah, I didn't know what to expect. Right now it's burning really, really badly, and it's also itching because the skin is flaky. So, I'm really like in two different discomforts at the same time. But it's for the most part it's burning. Like, it's been really burning, especially when I used to breastfeed. People have been telling me that I should look into a lawyer because this is chemical burns, and it's in an area that's caused me such great discomfort. But yeah, you guys, that's basically what's been going on with me. My nails are actually short compared to, you know, what I had envisioned in my mind of how long I actually wanted them to be. And this is the update on my spectrum tattoo. This is how it looks. So this is a 2 month update. Um I I'm planning on getting more tattoos. I actually like I'm really debating hard about the location of where I want my new tattoos, and I know it's gonna be pricey. It's gonna be like probably like $1,000 um for like the new tattoos that I want. Um, thinking of I already know what tattoos I want. It's just about the locations. I always pick painful locations like spectrums, rib cage, like lower back. Like all my tattoos are in painful areas. They're not like in like areas where there's like lots of skin. So it's like at least take off some of the pain. It's in areas where it's like bone underneath, like closer to the bone, so to say. So yeah. I chained my sheets. Chained my sheets. This is what they look like. Of course, that's my maternity pillow. I have yet to fold it up and put it in the Bobby bag. If you guys are looking for a maternity pillow, Bobby is a great company. It's BOBBPY, and it's a great company. Um, for maternity pillows, also for feeding pillows where you can place the child on while you breastfeed. So yeah, you guys, this whole near chemical burn experience was just horrible. It's been absolutely horrible. I'm happy to be healing now. So right now, pray for me as I heal from these chemical burns. Thank God it wasn't no place like more visual where you could see it, such as my face or like, you know, thank God, because these burns are really bad and the healing is really bad as well. Um, so yeah. What else? What else? Oh, I'm gonna do. I have a couple videos that you guys requested that I update. I have done them in the past, so if you guys are coming from my past videos of me doing those vlogs, or if you are here in the present, just requesting to see a updated version of it. I recently did an updated version of my skincare routine. I hope you guys seen that one. Oh, this is my face, by the way, after the mask. So let me tell you guys exactly what mask it was that I used, so you guys can know. But this is my face. Like it looks really good. Like it's really good. Like as far as breakouts, I've been getting like cystic acne. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Also hormonal acne. So this is the mask. I bought it from Old Navy and it was $10. And it's the Revital. The company is Revital and it's holistic skincare. It's a brightened matcha green tea clay mask and it brightens and balances. It's formulated without parabens and phosphates. And this is how it looks. And it's super convenient because you just twist up the bottom and apply the product. So yeah, that was the mask that I used. And my face look good. You guys, let me know in the comment section below, what is my complexion? Because I kind of like had like a disagreement with somebody because they was like, I'm dark skinned. And I was like, I'm not dark skinned. I'm light skinned. This is my, I'm light skinned. I've never been dark skinned. I've always been even lighter than I am now. If you guys look at my Instagram and my Facebook, you'll see that as my banner, I have my baby picture up there, and I was always have always been light skinned. So I'm just like, You guys, that sun is hitting my face all type of wonderful ways and giving me this glow. Like, yes, sun, come through. So you guys see what I'm talking about now? That I've taken off the mask, you can see the black hairs growing in. Like, it's just beautiful. Right now my eyebrows are so fluffy and thick. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna continue my DIY treatment to make my eyebrows grow and become more fluffier. When I was younger, I suffered from unibrow, and then when I got to a certain age, I didn't suffer from it anymore. And I always said I would never talk about this, I would never say it, but it just is what it is. I'm one hairy girl. So yeah, my kids are hairy. They got hair down their backs. You know, my especially my girls, they got hair. They like, it's crazy. So like, yeah. So let me know in the comment section below, what is my complexion? Take a good look. This is me. This is me. What is my complexion? Am I light skinned or am I dark skinned? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel, and stay updated with me in my life. Be blessed, be blessed as I'll do the same. Again, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Mwah!